Assalamu guys, Irfan back again with another video, and this is another video in the series that we are doing on functions in Excel. So today we'll be looking at, in this video, we'll be looking at the cosine function, the COS function. Now this is something we get exposed to a lot in engineering and in mathematics, and we got introduced to this in high school or secondary school math. So over here we have a right angle triangle. Okay, a right angle triangle, by the way, is called a right angle triangle because one of the angles is a 90-degree angle. Okay, this is the base of the triangle, which is 4 inches long. This is the height, which is 3 inches. Now we know from Pythagoras theorem that the square of the height added to the square of the base gives you the square of the hypotenuse. So 3 squared would be 9, 4 squared is 16, so 9 plus 16 is 25. That's the square of the hypotenuse. So take the square root of 25, that gives you 5. And that's how we know that this is 5. Now this angle is 36.8699 degrees or 0.6435 in radians. Now, always remember that the angles in Excel are always in radians. They're never in degrees. You can have Excel convert between, convert degrees into radians and radians into degrees, but that's for the video. That's going to follow up. But right now, just always remember that the angles, when you're using cosine, sine functions, the angles are always in radians. Okay. So let's get started. Let's calculate the cosine of this function. So it gives you two options. This is the regular cosine, and this is the hyperbolic cosine. We'll be looking at the hyperbolic cosine in a later video also. Okay. So for now, let's select the cos, and then it's the parameter is asking for its number. The number that has to be in radians. So we put 0.6435. Okay, and that gives you almost 0.80001. Okay, now if we want to verify if we did everything right, how do we do that? Now we know through high school math that the cosine of this angle would be the measure of the base divided by the measure of the hypotenuse. So 4 divided by 5 should give you 0.8. So that's how you calculate the cosine of an angle in Excel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, please make sure you put them in the comment section down below. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit that bell icon so you'll receive notifications from YouTube when new videos are uploaded. Thank you.